Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about using WD or Seagate or other vendors' large capacity hard drives above 18TB on QSANs. Will it cause any troubles? Let's take a look in the following. Firstly, we log into the SAN OS. And then, click the disk option on the left. After clicking, you can see all the drives installed on the SAN are displayed in the list on the right. Now, let's take a look. There are some drives show 16TB. They are large capacity drives. And what we test today is Seagate 18TB HDD. They can all be correctly recognized. In addition, the reason why the 16TB is displayed above is because after the unit conversion, the space that the device can actually use is about 93% of the original capacity. Second, we are going to talk about an interesting topic. When using large capacity drives, it will likely affect the rebuild time. But we have two functions that can totally enhance this situation and decrease the rebuild time on our QSAN. One is RAIDEE, the other is fast rebuild. Okay, first we are going to talk about how to set up the RAIDEE. First, enter the web URL and click the pool option. Next, click Create Pool. You can use the default configuration for all of your settings. Then the RAID type must be RAIDEE. Below you can see that there is one more option for EE speed for setting. Okay, next we are going to talk about how to enable the fast rebuild. First, we enter the page of the volume. Next, click the Create the volume. Then we can also use the default setting here. And finally, when we come to the last step, we can see that there is an option called Fast Rebuild. This option is disabled by default. So, if you want to use it, be sure to tick here to enable it. Okay, at last, if you guys gonna know the more detail about the RAIDEE and fast rebuild, we will share the related video link in the description column of this video for your reference. Thanks for your watching.